Hey everyone, I'm John DeFreitas, local real estate agent with Sun Summer Realty, bringing to you another great neighborhood that you need to know. And today I'm bringing you the neighborhood of Liberty Village, located in the city of Toronto. And directly behind me is Liberty Market, which is a converted warehouse in Liberty Village that's been converted into shops and restaurants. Very typical of this neighborhood, and you'll learn a lot more about that. Firstly, it's located in southwest Toronto, between a couple of main rail tracks. It borders Strong Avenue to the east, King Street to the north, Dufferin Street to the west, and it borders the QEW highway system to the south. A little bit about the history of Liberty Village. So Liberty Village, as many of you may realize, has a deep history within the city. It was a location for many manufacturing as well as different institutions in the area. Back in the 1850s, you had a lot of different companies such as Irwin Toys, Simmons Bedding, and Canadian Electric were all in the area. Also, there were a couple of significant institutions such as prisons. You had the Reformatory for Women, which was located on the old site of Landfill Stadium, and you had Central Prison, which opened there in 1873 as well. The area's proximity to rail tracks led to a growth in its industry, and that's where it opened a lot of heavy machinery shops as well. And they produced things such as boilers, electrical appliances, but more infamously, they also produced weaponry for World War I. So there was also manufacturing of bombs in the area as well, and you can see that in this photo. During the late 70s and 80s, manufacturing operations within Liberty Village started to decline, and then these operations started to move to larger, more suburban locations to profits. That brings us to the early 2000s, where you began to see a shift in the actual area itself, where many of its warehouses were repurposed to residential lofts and to commercial operations. Liberty Village is filled with many fantastic cafes, restaurants, bars, and shops. It's got tons of amenities. Many of them are grocery stores, pharmacies, general merchandisers, both big box stores and independent retailers, which provides a really unique, interesting dynamic in the neighborhood. Now, this area is certainly known for being an area where 20 to 30 somethings love to live and play. And it's that reason for many different reasons, one of which it's got a plethora of small condo units, which are much more affordable for people looking to start off. Now, talking about condo units, let's talk a little bit about the real estate aspect and the pricing in the area itself. So, in this area of Liberty Village, you will not find any detached single-family homes. You will find condominiums, condo apartments, and condo townhouses, as well as freehold townhouses. So the price of a freehold townhouse in the area is going to average right about $1.5 to $1.6 million. If you're looking at a condominium apartment or a condominium unit, you're looking at approximately $750,000 to $900,000. Now, in saying that, there's a wide range because of the vast different varieties of units. So I've got a couple here to show you a little bit more detail. The first one is a Bachelor Pad, no bedrooms, one bathroom. Obviously, it does not have a storage garage. It's listed at $399,000. It certainly will not sell for that. This will be selling in the low 500s. Its taxes are about $1,400 a year. Maintenance fees right around $332, and you can see its square footage is somewhere south of 500 square feet. This would be considered one of the small units in the area. Conversely, on the other side, this is an example of a much larger 2+1 with 2 baths. It's got a storage garage, so a parking spot. It's listed at just about $1 million, and this one will sell north of $1 million, probably somewhere between $1,060,000 and $1,080,000 is my educated guess. Taxes are just over $4,000. Maintenance fees are just under $800, and you can see this unit is somewhere between 2,000 square feet. So that shows you the range of prices and units in the area. Now, Liberty Village suits many different lifestyles. However, it seems to really found its niche with younger millennials. And this is probably very likely because of the vast condos in the area and the smaller, more affordable ones as talked about. Liberty Village can be a great option for those people looking to break into the market or for people who are looking to actually invest. So there's a ton of investment opportunity as well. It certainly is a vibrant, younger community. If that's something you're interested in, or if that investing in the area is something you're interested in, you want to learn more, I'd be happy to talk to you a little bit more about Liberty Village. And if you just want to talk about the market, I'd also love to do that as well. Connect with me on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or direct message me. I'd love to talk to you more about it. Hey, I'm John DeFreitas, local real estate agent with Sutton Summer Realty, bringing to you hopefully real soon another great report you need to know. Talk soon, everyone.